Is Christmas overrated?
A little bit.
Like, do you feel like there's a lot of build-up? I kind of feel like every year Christmas is a little bit like losing the virginity, where there's a ton of anticipation. You wait for it your entire life. I waited for it till I was 32. And then it happens. That's not true, by the way. It's a joke. I was 30. And then it happens, and you go like, yeah, that was cool. I'm glad that happened, but it was not really as good as all the anticipation and the build-up.
Well, I feel like when you're a kid, every morning that you wake up Christmas morning is like the best morning of your entire year.
Yes,
so you
agreed.
go through your whole childhood having the best morning of the year. And then when you get into your 20s and 30s or whatever, you get older, you're like, okay, it's morning. It's Christmas morning. This should be the best morning of my year. And it's kind of not.
This is where it hit me. I was taking my dog out the morning after Christmas. What would that be, the 26th of December?
Boxing Day.
Boxing Day for you Canadians out there. And there was like 9 trees already put on the side of the road. And Christmas hadn't even been over for more than 10 hours.
Well, that's that.
That's a crazy sort of motivation of hatred of Christmas to be like, all right, it's 12:01. Get this goddamn tree out of here.
I'll return everything.
I was thinking to myself, like, wouldn't you want, like, at least milk it for another week or something? It seems like a lot of work went into that tree. And the side of the road was just covered in trees, like a giant tree massacre.
See, that's what makes me glad I never bought a tree. I'm glad I never had a tree in the first place.
I get it that, like, keeping your tree up into, like, the middle of March, that's a little pathetic, too. But it seems to me, if you're throwing that thing out on the 26th of December, like, you've got a problem. And then I started thinking to myself, it's weird because we live in a part of the country where you can't get a goddamn plastic bag to save your life. If you need a plastic bag, can't get it. But they'll go ahead and kill a tree and hand anyone a tree. And I have a feeling that if Christmas trees start getting banned, it's going to start right here.
Kevin Klein, live. Mornings from 6 to 10 on Live 105. We're sorry.